Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the second lesson in chemistry, is matter around us pure. Matter may consist of solid, liquid or gas. It may be of two types, pure substances or mixture. We usually notice the word pure written on packets of butter, ghee, salt, etc. For a common person, pure means a substance which has no adulteration. But for a scientist, the word pure means the substances in which all the constituent particles are same with respect to their chemical nature. So for the scientist, the ghee, butter, salt are not pure substances but mixtures. How do we define mixture? Mixtures contain more than one kind of pure form of matter. So, when we talk about water, the water that we drink, it is a mixture of pure water plus number of other dissolved salts. Characteristics of the mixture. Components of the mixture can be separated by using simple physical methods. For example, when we want to separate a mixture of salt and water, we can carry out the process of evaporation. Water evaporates, leaving behind salt. Components may be present in any ratio. So when we make a mixture of sugar and water, we can take 1 teaspoon of sugar and water, it makes a sugar solution. We can even take 2 teaspoons of sugar in water, it again makes a mixture, the solution. So components of a mixture may be present in any ratio, any proportion. Mixture shows the properties of its components. If we talk about the mixture of salt and sugar, and if we taste it, it will give us both the taste of salt as well as the sweet sugar. Usually no energy changes are involved during the formation of a mixture. No energy changes, whether it is the evolution or absorption of heat, light or electricity. Mixtures are of two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixtures has uniform composition throughout. For example, solution of salt in water. It will taste salty if you drink it from the top, from the bottom or from the middle. Water in alcohol also forms a homogeneous mixture in which the distinct boundaries between the two components, that is water and alcohol, cannot be seen. Heterogeneous mixtures are those in which the composition is not uniform. Example, sand in water. When you mix sand in water, you can easily see the boundaries of sand and water. Similarly, adding oil in water, you can even see the distinct boundaries of oil and water. Well, let us try to do some questions based on the topic that we have discussed today. There are 3 questions given. You are required to do these question answers in your notebook.